What's up guys, it's Cass here, obviously. So for today's video, there's been a last minute change of plans since my friend was supposed to come over yesterday and we were supposed to film one together, but exams, yeah, okay. So instead, since was raining outside and it's still wet, I decided to do things you can do when it's wet outside or raining. Hope you enjoy it. You can play on the Xbox. No. Read a book or 20. This is a really good book. Watch TV or a movie? Cook something. Sleep. Go on YouTube or any other social media sites. Call a friend so they can come over and hang. Call them so you don't have to leave the house. 0, 2, 1. Hey Michael. Oh, hey Cass. Do you want to come over today? Sorry, I'm babysitting Jordan at the moment. Okay, bye. Stand in the rain. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up down below, yeah, and subscribe for more videos. So yeah, and I will see you guys hopefully next Friday. I now have toast that I don't actually want and I'm not hungry. So if you want it, let me know in the comments below. Kidding, I'm gonna eat it. It's okay. And I need to stop fidgeting with my hands. Oh my god. I just listened to my own voicemail. Emma, why did you my voicemail?